Hello there! On today's video, I want to share with you how I set up my digital planner for the month of April. I always use the Notability app to decorate my planner, but this time I decided to use the GoodNotes app. And I definitely see why people love using this app more than Notability. A common question that I get from my readers is if they can recreate my digital designs on their paper planner, and my answer to that question is always yes. Any digital design can also be made on a paper planner. Check the description box to watch my April bullet journal setup video, where I use the same stickers that I'm using on this setup. Something that I love about the GoodNotes app is that I can move images, text, and drawings at the same time. On the Notability app, I can only move an image or a text. I cannot move both at the same time. Creating this calendar is very simple. If you want to learn how to create it on your own planner, I will add a link to the description box. When I finished drawing the calendar, I changed my mind and decided to move it to a different page. This is the best part about digital planning. I can move my designs around without ripping pages and without having to put a bunch of white out on little spots. We are done! Here is the final setup for the month of April.